welcome back to another video. Today I'm playing this like Phoenix RC thing because you see I like flying RC planes, right? But then my dad crashed the only one we had. Absolutely destroyed it. So now I get to use the simulator. And this is the one that I practice on because I was kind of scared to fly the plane because I was going to crash it. But it wasn't me who crashed it. It was my dad. I like, yeah, so now I have to use this. And I get to film it at least, so I guess. So, I don't know what to use, but I don't really like this map to be honest, so I'm gonna leave and I'm gonna go to one that I've never done before. Done before. This looks really boring. Oh, that's what I just did. I'll show the car park. No. I don't really like this plane, but I'll deal with it. Beggars can't be choosers. But I'm gonna change anyway. So, I'm just gonna do like trader one for now, and then I'll move up in difficulty. Yeah, it'll be one of those videos where you go up. Okay, so we're starting with the high-wing trainer. It looks kind of basic. So I guess for the video, so to say we complete it, I have to do like one loop, then one takeoff successful, and one landing successful. And it has to be in the hardest map, yes. Hell no. Where is it? In Lagos Rocks. That is a nightmare to land on. And you can't even take off as well. Wait, let's see if you can even land though. Because if we can't, I'll just find like a harder map. Okay, let's go. And now we'll get a look behind. Yeah, I'd say you can land. Oh, that is way deeper than I thought it would be. I thought it was right next to me. Oh. Okay, nice. Okay, so I'll just do this one. And if it's like impossible, then I'll switch to a different one. But we're starting off the high-wing trainer. So we have to do, what do we have to do? Takeoff, which we kind of did. Landing, and loop. Oh, and also, I feel like we should do, like, a nice little fly around. Damn. What? I just went inside. Oh, I know, and we have to go through that hole. If you even can. It's so far away. No, I think it'll be too hard. What about, like... no idea. Okay, for now, just do like a loop and a little fly around. Oh, and fly for at least like a minute or something. I'm not that good at counting though, so I might do less than a minute or way more than a minute. But okay, there's the loop, and also do like a horizontal loop. Alright, nice. Oh yeah, by the way, I'm also using like not my keyboard, I'm using like an actual controller because that's what you use if anyone wanted to know. So for this, you have to use a controller. I'm pretty sure like you can use your keyboard, but I've never used it, and I don't really recommend it because then it's not really like training. Anyway, let's come in for the landing now. This is gonna be so butter. It's gonna be the most butter landing you've ever seen. Never mind. Okay, I think we have to do a turnaround. So I think behind me is like the best spot. And behind me is like that way. I don't have to go lower. Okay, that's definitely not the best spot. Oh my god, I have to restart! I kind of forgot. You know, actually, this is not the hardest one. The easiest. The easiest will be a glider because it's so easy to like. So I'll just use this one, I guess. No, this one looks better because you can throw this one. So I don't think you can even land it though. It doesn't even have gear. Okay. Oh well, it's a glider. It better do its job. Doesn't even turn. Oh my god, I'm so cooked. Oh, it has a rudder. Ah. Okay, so this can only control the pitch. Damn, I always use ailerons. Never use rudder. Okay, now we bring it down. And it does not want to land there. Land. Successful! Also, like right behind me. Hold left mouse button. Damn, I threw it far. Okay, so we have to do a loop. There's a loop. 2 loops. 3 loops. Oh yeah, I forgot. There's no rudder. What the heck? Wait a minute. Oh! I did not know where I was going. Okay, so let's just come back. Turn off our engine. And now we can just land. Okay, so we're just gonna turn. Nice and easy. And we want to go there, and we're gonna crash. No, we're not. Yes, we are. No, Lagos Rocks is terrible. I'm changing this. Something decently hard. Like... Damn! Sports Hall? Oh, okay. We could. So it's either this one. Oh, this. Yeah, because it's actually doable. Anyway, loop. Loop. Can it not turn on its side? It can't. Okay, well, I'm not gonna do a horizontal loop for this one then. And I don't know when 1 minute will end. So I'm just gonna do more loops. Oh yeah, I forgot. No ailerons. Okay, that should be like 1 minute, about, maybe not. But let's turn off the engine and see Weather Ocean. That's pretty close. And let's just get a bit of power. There we go. This is gonna be so buttery. Oh! No! No! That water ruined everything. Come on. Okay, let's go. Oh! Yes! That is such a buttery landing! Let's go. Okay, next one. Okay, the next model will be the hiring trainer. The The Hiving Trainer is very basic, and you don't really need to know a lot to fly this. It has like ailerons. You can't retract the gear. I mean, that's to be expected, I'm pretty sure. Wait, can you retract it? Let's see. No. Okay, let's just do a loop. Can it even handle a loop? Yes, it can! And half horizontal one or something. And that's a minute. Maybe that was like 30 seconds. I think we should start bringing it closer though, so I kind of need to know where it's going. Because I think I'm cooked. That better be going. Okay, I know where we're going now. Okay, this way. So now it's coming to us, isn't it? Guys, just turn off the engine and let's do the bus buttery landing on YouTube. Surely. No! I did not know I was there. I almost crashed. Can't crash on a trainer. Okay, let's try this again. Oh! No! Yes! No! No! I forgot to pull up. Pull up! Wait, there might be a slight problem for our future ones. Our future plates. So anyway, we'll just get some altitude and do a loop. Okay, those are like 3 out of 4 things. Now we'll do a landing, nice buttery landing. Let's go. And we'll go like straight down because I need to go down. You know you need to go down for a landing. And please don't crash. And that's so buttery. Let's go. Never mind. My controller is so satisfying. Okay, anyway, that's a landing, definitely. Okay, next we'll do let's see. Hand launched. They're both the exact same thing, but one has landing gear and one doesn't. Okay, rare bear. Yep, this looks pretty easy. Oof. Okay. Damn. Okay, I've never actually flown this though, so let's go. Okay, so that's horizontal loop. And then like a vertical loop. And then 2. Because you need 2. And then we'll just come back. Oh, don't! Wait, but you catch. You're supposed to. Okay, land. What a landing. What a landing. Okay. Damn. Go on, try this. This looks like something you can make at home. And it's surprisingly good, actually. Like, look at that turning power. The US military will want to use that for that awesome design for their next plane. Okay, now let's just go for a landing, because I don't want to stay in the air for 1 minute. So boring. No! Yes. That didn't count. I'm going to the next model. I want to do this one. I want to do this one. I want to do this one. Okay. Let's go. This looks like one of those planes you get off like Timu. Okay. Oh yeah, I nearly forgot. Loop. Nice. Good loop. Loop again. Good loop. I think I'm going. Damn. What was that? I think yeah, I'm coming back to me. So you can see from this thing. I don't even know how that got there. I think it just like appeared one day. Okay, this is like you throw it, right? So we'll have to land this. So I'm just gonna stay slightly above the trees, cause I don't want to crash. Now let's come in for a landing. That would be so bad if this was a commercial flight. What? Landing. It's just because the fan can't do it, see? Okay, that was a landing. Next one. But what are you? What do you do? Model. Yes, model. Okay, I want to try one of these ducted fan things. This will be easy to land. It sounds really annoying. It sounds so annoying. I died already! Oh my god. I already died. Okay, let's go. Pull up! Okay, nice. Eurofighter! Okay, this better be good maneuverability, because it's a Eurofighter. And fighters are maneuverable. I don't even know if that's how you pronounce it. Okay, anyway. Now let's come in for the landing, because I don't want to fly for a minute. Oh! That was a landing. See? I'm not even damaged a single bit. Okay, B-17 Flying Fortress. Oh, alright. Sorry about the gear. I actually love this plane, because, see, it stays kind of straight. Okay, anyway, I don't think this, in real life, I have no idea that, I really don't think it'll be able to do a loop. Maybe if it was very fast and jet engines were invented back then. But nowadays, I don't think so. So anyway, let's just do the horizontal loop and come in for a landing. Meow. I don't think this is a good place. If I remember correctly, this is actually a very good place to... No! What? What? Okay. Of course I crashed. Oh, I wasn't looking. Gear up. I forgot that last time. Okay, let's just do the loop. Nice. Horizontal loop thing. Nice. Come on. Complete it. Just complete it. It's not that hard. Nice. Now let's put up the gear. Now, let's go in for the landing. No! Yes! No! No! Oh, how is it that big though? Wait, isn't that like... Okay, I'm done with this one. I already landed. Okay, now... let's do an amphibious one. Oh, this looks pretty hard. It's like a jet thing. And since it's amphibious, of course we have to land it in the water. So, damn, this one was easy. Now let's just get it in the water. That has gear, right? Okay, yeah. Now let's just go in for the landing. Oh! Engine off, because that's always how you land. Oh yeah, by the way, the RC plane I had, I got it from Temu, and it was like a glider, and it was very good at gliding, which is very good, because you just basically you only needed to have the engine propeller on for like the takeoff, but it didn't have gear, so we had to throw it, and that was so sketchy. It was like, the first time I threw it, it nearly crashed because my dad, of course he did, he threw it straight into the ground. Okay, now this one. Actually, I don't think this one. It'll be something in airplanes and then performance. Adrenaline. This was cool. Okay, let's try this. That's definitely performance! That is so sensitive. Let's go. Loop. Easy. Loop. Not so easy. Loop. Okay, definitely. Now for the landing. This one is what I'm scared about. I think we'll just start slowing down. And we landed! Let's go. What a landing. I'll just wait till I fully stop. Let's go. Doesn't look like it's moving. And we can move on to the next one, which will be the Hangar 9 Funtana 90, of course. It's also a performance. It's slightly less. Okay. Let's go. Okay, now we do the thing. And this horizontal. Actually, this one is also I had some fun with it, like yesterday, and yeah, I'll show you. Oh, when I land this, pizza crash. Okay, nice. Sometimes the hitboxes are weird, so you have to pray. Okay, let's just go to the playing field. Okay, look. Ready. Oh, it's gonna crash! Never. Okay. Let's just ignore that. Okay, look. It's gonna crash! Nope. It's gonna crash! We'll see, it will never crash. It's impossible. Always complete the loop! Okay, nice. That's all I wanted to show you. Now let's go back to Quinta del Logo and let's change our model to the A10. Actually, let's try a helicopter. I don't actually do these helicopters. This thing is tiny, bro. No, it's getting blown by the wind. Oh, that was sad. Short-lived. And we have lift off. Okay. Okay. Oh, I had to go for a sec. Okay. So the flip will be easy, I'm pretty sure. Yep, flip. Oh. Let's just gain some more altitude first. front flip. Back flip. Okay, nice. And now, oh, that was not good. And now horizontal flip. Let's go, let's go. Now land, now land, now land. Come on, come on, come on, land. No! I hate helicopters. I'm never flying one ever again. Okay, now let's move on to the last one. I'm pretty sure it's like the only turbine. It's the A10 Warthog. You can hear the turbines. Sounds just like a jet. Okay, now see the horizontal flip. Definitely horizontal. You know, it actually looks like A10 Warthog when it's flying. Oh, so cool, so cool. Looks like an actual one. And the vertical flip. Now let's do a landing, A10 Warthog style. Ah, we're gonna crash. Okay, anyway, so gears. And then no. Ah, that was so bad. Oof. Yes. Okay. Flip. What? What the heck was that? That looked so weird. What? Okay. Now we go this way. And then come in for oh. Can now come in for a landing. Okay, let's go on the hill. Let's not crash. That's a nice landing. Why is it going in the hill? Oh, it came back. Very nice. Okay, well that'll be it for this video. Bye, I guess. I'll look into it from a different angle. Ugh, so weird. Okay, bye.